Hi guys, today I will be unboxing the Panasonic Mighty Bass headphone. So the model is RB-M500B. So the price currently is $199, but we got this on sale. Anyway, so here is the features. So you can see here the far edge with this driver, then bass reactor, then side pressure depression technology. Okay, so I open this now so you can see what's inside. Maybe there's another tape here. No. Okay, let's pull this out. So here is the headphone, but it comes with the some documentation, user's manual. Then here's the headphone, XBS dip. Then comes with the USB charger, and so that is a USB charger type C and the connection audio cable. Okay, so we'll try this out later on, then I will give you some feedback. Okay, thank you for watching.